Hello, my dear students. How are you? Good morning to all of you, and I hope that all of you are very fine and you are very happy. Be positive, be hopeful. Now, let us come and discuss on the question answers of the lesson The Ailing Planet, the Green Movement's Role. Yesterday I have told you that in 1972, for the first time in New Zealand, a nationwide Green Party was founded, and after that it never looked back. And the members of that party have been doing their work to their best. Now we are going to talk about the ailing planet. Ailing planet, which type of planet or which planet is it? So you know, it is the Earth. Our Earth is ailing, sick, ill, unhealthy. Now come to the questions. Locate the lines in the text that support the title, The Ailing Planet. You can see a question. Are we to leave our successors a scorched planet of advancing deserts, impoverished landscapes, and an ailing environment? This question is put up by L.K. Jha, who was the first Indian member of Branded Commission. This commission is an international commission and which is doing the work for the ecology and environment and other things of the world. So this line indicates that our planet is really sick, it is unhealthy. And many other lines are also there in the text. You will find them out. The second question, what does the notice the world's most dangerous animal at a cage in the zoo at Lusaka, Zambia signify? So, there is a reference in this book that once the narrator went to visit this zoo, and this zoo was situated in Lusaka in Zambia. And when he reached the zoo, he saw at the door of the zoo or the gate of the zoo there was written something, and by the side of the door there was a mirror, and in that mirror, when you visit your face, you can see what was written there above it. It was written, you are the most dangerous animal in the world. And you are seeing your face. It means you are the most dangerous animal in the world. You signify the mankind of the world. Means we, the mankind's are, we the human beings are the most dangerous animal in the world. Why? Because we have created all the problems of the world, whether it is problem of environment, it is problem of ecology, it is problem of pollution, it is problem of corruption. We are in the root of all the problems. That is why in the zoo it was written at the door at the gate that you are the most dangerous animal. When you see your face in the mirror, you can understand that it is nobody else, it is only and only you. Third question, how are the Earth's principal biological systems being depleted? Being depleted. Depleted means destroyed, disappear, deplete. to terrace, to finish. You can understand there are four principal biological systems of the earth. What are these four principal biological systems? Number one, fisheries. Number two, forests. Number three, landscape. Or you can say grassland. And next, cropland. These four biological systems are being depleted, being finished, being perished by the human beings. And really these systems are the elements of the metabolic system of this forest. Means with the help of all these things, all these parts, the earth makes its balance. And when you are disturbing them, or you are disturbing all these things or any of these things, so certainly you are going to disturb the metabolic system of our earth. Means the earth will not be able to make the balance. Understand? So the question is, how are the earth's principal biological systems being depleted? So you know, first one is fisheries. We have become very selfish and greedy people and hungry for protein. In order to get more and more protein, we are fishing too much, or we are overfishing, and that is why the fisheries are being collapsed. Understand? Collapsed means destroyed. And the next one is forests. You can see obviously that the people, just earlier I said that we have become selfish and greedy. The people have become selfish and greedy. The most of the people are doing the smuggling of the valuable woods like chandan, means sandals, like cheer, devdar, etc. Because these are very costly woods. And the other thing is, due to the overpopulation, we are clearing the forest in order to make the fields, in order to make the croplands, because our demand for the food is increasing at very high rate, and also the population is increasing at very high rate. So the people are clearing the forests at relatively more high rate. You know, the supply of the forest needs five times more plantation than the need of the people. In this way, we are clearing the forests. In poor countries, there are no stoves, cylinders, and other things. The people are poor; they cannot use them. That is why they are clearing the woods, and with the help of woods, they are using the logs, the branches of dry woods as fuels. The next one is grassland. You know, due to the overgrazing by the cattle of the people, the grasslands are converted into wasteland, barren and wasteland. And the last one is cropland. You know, due to the overpopulation, we are we we need many times more food than the earlier, and that is why, in order to get the more supply of these foods, we are clearing the forest and we are making the fields and we are producing the crops at high rate. But what is side effect of it? Our we are using the chemical fertilizers in the place of the biological or organic fertilizers, and these croplands are also converted into unfertile lands. In this way, these are being depleted due to the overuse, outuse of the human beings. And why does the author ever means describes, है ना, ascribes, accepts, मानता है. So why does the author ever the growth of world population is one of the strongest factors distorting the future of human being. To distort means to defile, to make ugly, क्रूप करना, खराब करना, deteriorate. Distort means deteriorate, to deform, to defile, खराब करना, बर्बाद करना. तो क्यों ऑथर क्यों यह मानता है कि इस पृथ्वी अपना जो प्लेनेट है इसको अनहेल्दी बनाने में ह्यूमन बींग्स ओवर पॉपुलेशन जो है स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट फैक्टर्स है. क्यों ऐसा मानता है? तो ऑलरेडी आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट ओवर पॉपुलेशन इज द मेन कॉज of distorting the earth, the ecology, the environment of the world. Because due to the overpopulation, we are using all these things at very high rate, and our need is increasing day by day in comparison to the supply. There is a great difference between the supply and the requirement, and in order to fulfill our requirements we are overusing all these things. So certainly we can say that overpopulation is the main cause for distorting our earth, our planet. Talking about the text, laws are never respected nor enforced in India. Really, you can see in our country India, laws are made in our constitutions. For example, laws for untouchability, laws for child labor, bonded labor, and for the security of the people. And the central government has given the responsibility to the states for all these laws, but you know that laws are never respected in our country, in our states, because so far I think the lawmakers are breaking the laws. You can see the children doing the work in the house of the police officers, in the house of the politicians, those people who have been employed for stopping, for controlling or regulating these evils of the society, certainly they themselves are breaking the laws, and that is why the author says, the author ascribes that in our India, laws are made in the constitution only, and they are not enforced or complied on the earth, on the ground. And already I have told you the answer of the second question. Are we to leave our successors? Successors means descendants, the future generation. Scorched planet. Scorched means dried. Scorched means ड्राइड, झुलसी हुई. क्या हम अपने आने वाली जनरेशन को झुलसी हुई पृथ्वी देने जा रहे हैं? ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की बात कर रहा है. द ऑथर इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. तो आर वी टू लीव अवर सक्सेसर्स अ स्कॉच्ड प्लैनेट ऑफ एडवांसिंग डेजर्ट्स? मीन्स बढ़ता हुआ रेगिस्तान, impoverished landscapes, और पुअर भूमि, भूखंड भूमि, एंड अनहेलिंग एनवायरनमेंट, और एक अनहेल्दी पर्यावरण. क्या हम यही देने जा रहे हैं अपने आने वाली जनरेशन को? तो रियली द ऑथर, दिस स्टेटमेंट has been given by L.K. Jha, one of the first members of the Branded Commission, which was made for doing the work on the ecology, on the environment and other things of the world. L.K. Jha said, this statement has been stated by L.K. Jha. So which type of planet are we going to give our future generation, give our coming children? So really he is very much worried. He is expressing his anxiety by this statement that we are going to hand over such kind of poor landscape, poor environment, poor ecology, and poor water and other things to our future generation. That this statement is expressing the worries of L.K. Jha. Next question. We have not inherited this earth from our forefathers, we have borrowed it from our children. Yesterday while I was teaching you the summary of the lesson, I told you that we have not inherited. Inherited means got. Inherit means to get as legacy. धरोहर के रूप में प्राप्त करना, वरासत या विरासत के रूप में प्राप्त करना. टू गेट एज विल. विल मीन्स विरासत. तो क्या हम अपने बच्चों को, क्या हमने इस धरती को, इस पृथ्वी को अपने फोरफादर से मीन्स पूर्वजों से लिया है, या हम आने वाले बच्चों से उधार लिए हैं? Yesterday I told you, if you get the money as loan from any person, certainly you have to pay it in the fixed time, in the due time. So really we are not the freeholder of this earth. According to Lester Brown, we are not the freeholder of this earth. And Margaret Thatcher has also said this statement. We have not inherited it from our forefathers, but we have borrowed it from our coming children, because We are not the freeholder, we are only tenants. Tenants means kiraedar. We have got this earth on the lease. Lease means for a due time. And it is our duty to save and safeguard this earth, because we have borrowed this earth from our children and we have to return it to our children as you return your money if you have borrowed. Borrow means उधार लेना. अगर आप किसी से उधार लेते हैं तो आपको उधार देना पड़ता है. तो लेस्टर ब्राउन कहते हैं कि हम लोग बच्चों से उधार लिए हैं, उन्हें वापस करना है जैसे लिए हैं ऐसे ही, क्योंकि हम लोग यहाँ किराएदार हैं. मार्गरेट थैचर के अनुसार. तो वी आर नॉट द फ्री होल्डर ऑफ दिस अर्थ, बट वी आर द टेनेंट्स. Tenants means sharer. तो हम किराएदार हैं. We have got on the lease means we have got it for a due time. So our responsibility, our first and foremost duty is to safeguard, to secure this earth, because we have to pass this on to our coming children, our successors. And the last question is, my dear students, the problem of overpopulation that directly affect our everyday life. So really I have told you that the overpopulation is the main cause of the poverty of our country or any country of the world, because more people means more people without work, and the development begets the money, and the increment of the children begets the poverty. If the rate of increasing of the increasing birth rate will continue really as it is today, so certainly tomorrow we are going to die in the hutments, means झोपड़पट्टी, because we shall not get sufficient food, sufficient money and other required things to survive on this earth. So certainly we shall die in poverty. So we can say that overpopulation is the main cause of all the problems of the world created here on the earth. In this way, I am going to finish my lecture, my discussion on this topic. Thank you very much, my dear students.